Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Redmi Note 13s. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow and allow all. When you finished, you can click on whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups. And then finally hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Now receive right next to send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. Either way, when you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then hit receive button to connect. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!